I DC News, Bima Obibia Aquaba Ahadia, laters and hot news and qua Aramede Bremo. And so we now subscribe here. Say over subscribe to the channel. The answer over click it the subscribe button. Now what barely notification we answer video for we upload also was Gabby. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Now share my offer for us now when you be here now and someone else so I will gana memoano. I feel you bura ye and some of the toy so yinti a yes sam komoya ekosu yinti sansima about today yinti
you ekomobia one of the members of parliament here titru de fa ban ni nkofobia omuni tumi bia wa ban mo ye mo post bia wa ban mo nenso mo hye wo no ma se di o man ne ko oseye mo me pese o tie say interview ye de be reconcile to ni ye ko so sabre na maje wa dwenkyere e wo ho ye tie your friend say if I remember John Boadu die no so but Subi MP Honorable Eugene Boakye Agyarko no ne park awards and Edin komo obo abrante ni Gabby otchere darko obo di impra dodo e na park e kasa na se papa e woni post o se woni post woni boni a wadi aban e boni a wadi oman wo de tie no
would just advise Bawumia and also message sermon say Kwaku Annan jeje so monk for be come and ba but would you be able to say emphatically say these people should not come near Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia Kennedy Agyapong they say they should be blamed for this
Gabby crowd on want to know to quit domestic politics
and they say kasa
it will no abon kon so the kon mo bonity so no aso onye bi obi mpam no ono hu say e bi no makoye ran koye a lot of people are highly disappointed, I'm telling you.
In Gabby.
No one do I wine. I mean, you can't in NPP, I need buy now. Gabby, wine. Gabby, where to my Gabby? I'm saying, Musa says, possible. Gabby, we are to my Gabby. Who is Gabby?
But also a powerful.
No, a powerful. I said,
young trouble man, but very powerful. I mean, that's the point.
That's a big show. Rollins by any hour.
That one, oh, dear.
Now, you're not moving. My stomach can't almost see a crab bedroom.
The crab bedroom.
Ebejo. Beer was a manufacturing date, no, expiry date.
Right.
NPP need beer from the bottom of their heart because yes, 75 if you Gabby. Appointments. We look for if you are we go Oxford. We go
at Gyamfi appointment.
The found
most of the appointment I go for the Gyamfi. Oh, I am trouble man.
Master. And I make a choice.
Do appointment on the mouth.
But they say
now, I see a direct question of
na me party ni one enemy Ghana NPP ni and go for be go for be and we from omo mo bi I don't want to mention names here but let me catch you say sango for you be na Gabby the appointment man yes I dey so the para
I see
you story pass how
I see
me say o ka no mo do court yes I'm going in court kwan no mo do court I go say jage so nim dey court na ya so mo Ghana for say People article can be na ko jina court.
Yeah.
Yes mo obi ankasa. Eh. Ehunu na mo de bagana ha. Ehunu. Bullying intimidation mo de bagana ha. Na Rollins go timi. Rollins go do chuba timi. Eh ko fo bi nyina ye o. Na be mo party o.
Right.
Party ko for ko detention ko exam ko fo adwuma sei ko fo busu atete apansa because of this party. Moja party o.
Empty Bawumia show you know afa Kennedy Gabby and try to win share.
Me say no who here speak share no. Na say me check.
No so.
It Eric Zwati wa kan be see point na wo make no. Say huna entrene bo ye de osubo ewura man mu on the why specific wabobodin ache efutuo bi a wotu ye ene anamotu e ko so ene ba bi e dia bedru wabo Gabby din.
Now that has been the modus operandi. Say won ka ho na wo kasa bebre a ye be intimidate you wo ye business na ekoba ne say won normal ye e kire say bia I opposition wo ni je de omo ye no ho a GRA Senate name them they will come after you. That is the fact. A lot of people are not speaking in Ghana not because they are afraid. They are on the quiet expressing their disappointment in Abanwe.
Wow.
Because Osuro say okokasa ye be NBB.
Wow.
Media personnel, very few are bold enough. What would you minimum say? Wa ukofia debia usro. And debia bompire say, ochina obim bedi wechi. Me nam we minimum say, me mfunya mfum so bia me kama adwen. And I mean, so China Bibia mia, but the man yame, but Bibian so into me and yame because Krami free mono, o yami Bibia, Obibeduechi in spirit. I'm telling you, menam hokwa, but me bomb also a buying, yame a bomb in buying, but me busuya for or more money in costa. And the Omokano, it is a reflection of this so-called Achem mafia that came up some time ago. It is an open secret, say, and Kofobi, family and friends. And to show Akufo Addo, Abain, and Kofa, Yafo Mujuma, Ebuswafo, Dudwana, Nafa, juicy positions. Koi ya, or Munim say, Quine Bia, Somoko position, they are finding a way to give retirement packages for people to find time to retire. Kwesa Mwakwata wahi. Oh, homeo baby. Within the next 7-8 months, Omubeko position, now we're certain no baby. Ken Ofori Atta wahi. Asante Bediatuo wahi. Almost your yare. But me funny say it is part of a strategy to get some key people Ghanaians know will be answering questions. And they say MP way kasem uhwe ne nkomodie numa. When him say odiyaw, he's talking out of pain. He's talking out of frustration. He's speaking out of something that has reached its peak. And Obibeka say enough is enough.
Why a party new?
Yes.
And what Kazasa?
And Wosha and Samna Okana, he was speaking from an authoritative perspective. Onim dia Oka. And Dubebinu or Pose Kakra.
Yes.
And if you study emotional intelligence, I'll say Oka Sanakwe say he should just give himself one breath or two to just give space. Otherwise, Obeke Bibi. But Nina Kusi say he is a reflection of NPP Foa. Omunim say the NPP they knew Akufo Addo and Bawumia as say no. Until Munya NPP will go into opposition and then tomorrow they can take back their party and reshape it for the better. Until no can say Adi Rua Ejo. Me Asantini. Nemum at least I speak very good fancy. Ada obo huru biara obo drube bia obeje. So ja no chere the ebo hu level. Until tomorrow kodono oyensama Ghana fu nyim dedo. Onya de sronko nemum se nyipa owom obosu ma no okansama yenyim de orokodo no boedu kire na yehu de ade no obi tata difo beka de wa pascal
now what the total opinion marking the leadership or provided sabreya boabe ne be political party ya your friend NPP aka kakra bi dodo na post ahodo na susu se obeko opposition boabe ne be political party wono so why na adwen say said ye city bia no meye de me bia medi nkunim e wa bato dem sa leadership ya wo provide tintintinti me mo bi nka bi asame de patapa na ewuram speaker kakra bo eye de speaker kan na me pesa metie court de no sa leadership no boabe ne be party no
emwa party no megidi say otchere mensa bonsu will be sitting somewhere observing. Ono so abaye ne de na normal bia wa ye no amanfo ani anje ho but megidi say being a leadership a member of a leadership in parliament and leading a caucus no comes with some responsibility. Edu baby a sa leadership role in terms of normal awobeye no and na be ma sa obuo na amanfo de be ma no ye de be ma but ni nyina ko gina say it's a mindset onim say enkofo bi wo baby a omota mechi enti say me yusu buga ombaba na ya ba dane normal e de tia me.
That's right.
Because until me kasa ya no me say whatever you were saying yesterday, so as for them they will go and if there's chaos they will walk out and so on. I can't trust them. It is like all cultures say jinaha nemum hana osi jinano onim dia oh yeah or the befa wechi. That is exactly what is happening. That's what is happening. And to share all the things that have happened in parliament as we speak, this 8th parliament, it's been a combination of machinations just to outwit the NDC. Obekaya, there was a time NDC forecast say now omo court AD one of their members no mote say they were quickly putting themselves together to come and pass a bill and they had to quickly come to the chamber. So that has been the modus operandi. And they are not on prayer you know it's exposing what Alex Apenyomakin is telling me. So who do I trust? I don't trust any of them. That's what my position is.
Okay.
And see, when the gods are angry. The gods are angry. The gods are angry. And by the time NPP would finish this 8 years administration, some of the top hierarchy, the excellence in government, many of you, mobile casualty and sana, aban we the end. Read my lips. Many of you mobile casualties. Oh yes. Nenenam kwem uba. Enenam kwem. Tonight, our special report we deliver. Now, tonight, we place the following questions to the President, His Excellency Akufo Addo, and his driver's mates to help Ghanaians understand what's on their mind. Yeah, the same betu ha mo man peni se on any driver's mate ni mwaye ni enya sa asem wei emu nchiremu ade bia wo madwene so ene ye pesi enya emu understanding. 1. Did President ever mention that his inability to fight the galamsey warlords, he shall resign? Bibi says here now. Oman peni be katra Ghana for say me Kweku Addo oye Kweku and what say yes ano me President Kweku Addo se mentimia makunya we munyimfiri ho. And by this time the military, the Ghana Armed Forces should take over the president's seat. Yes. Nyame na mekai president in a time or say mentimia I would have to resign. Now, what bokwana to what did that? So, say what bokwana to honor and wentimia, what should we do? 2 things. Parliament of Ghana should impeach the president. Parliament's inability to do that, one more minor showman sanum, the military. The military are the custodians of the land, should have taken over by now. Free president straight up. Now, dear, is there anything currently happening to our forests and water bodies that demand his resignation? If yes, why the president is still occupying the political throne? As I can say, and so BB AC, ewa ye kwaye mu ho, eni ye nsuo no so BB AC anam a ebebo kwan say President Akufo Addo so de na edwuma to BB AC anam. Se BB AC a and a president in front of Akunya Nentua and a day watching. What is he waiting for? Number 3. Has the president, who is the commander-in-chief of the security services, deployed the army into the forest? What happened before the deployment? Bibisao. President Akufo Addo will deploy a soldier for Biso Munko Yuremo. Now we deploy more a DNA see into a president no was sending a minister of Munko Forest or a DNA see. God. Yebisabium. Did the president actually know that something terribly is going wrong in the forest locations? President Akufo Addo onim se bibi a emu o hwiram ensenem fata koso wrong. Koso kwaye mu and so say ensuo wo Ghana nyara all the water bodies you know, mention them and they will give you a history of it. Say none of Ghana's water bodies in the locations you can find are in safe hands. No ni na say President Akufo Addo onimwana odim. God. Who told the president to deploy the army and for what? Afi when I catch the President Akufo Addo said onsuma asoja for no enko kwaye mu why na ka kire no na oso asoja for no kwaye den questions na me dey to no mutie ni ye why na see president ensuma asoja for no kwaye mu na afi oso mo kwaye den. Did President Akufo Addo himself see the need to deploy the army? If yes, what is the need? What is that need? On one kasa afi ono President Akufo Addo we who say who be ban fa so na ho be hia se so ma amino ekowire mu na oma amina ko ha e de be nti na oma ko emfa so e wo ho ne de hine. President Akufo Addo, help us get an understanding to this. Should it be seen rather that somebody must tell the president that something terribly is happening to Ghana's natural resources before he acts? So be catcher President Akufo Addo. Say, hey, Mr. President, Bibi Boni bi AC, ewa Ghana ho, yefuo, eni yensuo no, Bibi Boni bi AC was so be catcher president no, or by virtue of his powers, he should be in the known and act swiftly. As you be say, so be catching and now say, 2 minutes ye dear president, say president Otimi who's admin, and tem no so no. I didn't know to by now. He has all the powers. Powers no when he has all the state security intelligentsia at his disposal. He has the police. He has the CID. He has the BNI or the NIB, the intelligence agency. And then on top, he has the entire national security. Every community in Ghana, every district in Ghana, every regional capital, the intelligence agencies are there. Question remains, why the president cannot, will not, and may not be able to have report that suggests that about 80% of our water resources and the forest reserves are all at the fast speed of destruction. And the president is sitting there, failing, and has failed to declare state of emergency. In all of the above, what role the driver's mate, Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia, played in resolving the terrible debacle on the galamsey warfare? See a question. In all of the above, what role the driver's mate, Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia, candidate, played in resolving the terrible debacle on the galamsey warfare? Ediana Bawumia waiting here so far. Ibisa. So far, Ediaba dear and the driver's mate, waiting me aye so far in the galamsey debacle warfare. Waiting me Anna, nothing. Now, dear, what we are learning and hearing from the driver's mate is that, when he come to power, he shall put proper mining regulations in place to avoid today's situation. Stupidity and foolishness. This is what I'm hearing. That, wait a minute. When Bawumia comes, listen, what they are telling you and I is that when Bawumia comes, when he comes, then Bawumia will be able to put what? Fine mining regulations, including community mining and in Yomanyama, to save the situation of today. This is what I call stupidity, foolishness, and balderdash. Meanwhile, the guy is in power, and you got the nerves to come and tell me Kweku Annan, me de make a sama me ho, and I answer for more bonte ho. Say Ghana for answer for na yetio. Wo Bawumia na wuti akunya so na wo the driver man. Bibi says, where is your driver's license, man? Hey, man, what's your driver's license? Oh, driver's license na a copy benya. Na ono Bawumia na ti akunya so a. Sabri we ya so mind the roadmap. Sabria so the roadmap. Edema Akufo Addo. No to me prove it Ghana for say, hey, the galamsey, no, I am taking the first initiative in order to then keep this galamsey down once and for all. No. Bawumia Kananu say, zip his lip. Was zipping a lip. Ontimi po mo wada. Some phony Jimmy Kasa. Movie say Ghana for ye Jimmy. Wano Bawumia na quiet at Odi. He's refusing to talk about even this galamsey yet. All the pesos of Bawumia 18 are prone na war from district to regions and all those regions in many of them yeah galamsey. And here number 1, number 2. There are top people at the Bawumia chia, including Imreku Duka, who is the Deputy Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. All of them. Etewa Wamusha and Nkrofo Kutupa and Bawumia driver's mate. Entimi miena no. Rather, Omeka Semientia. Now, the driver's mate says he shall implement the following 6 objective plans. Those 6 foolish objective plans. That's Ono upon Kroma. He got the nerves to come and tell Ghanaians and say, no, Bawumia Ba, he's coming to implement these 6 objective plans. Upon Kroma, don't be stupid and tell us foolishness. We are reasonable Ghanaians, okay? We are reasonable Ghanaians. I know you so well. So don't you play fool to Ghanaians. Upon Kroma na mene okasanam. Ya mo adamo. Macron Sam and mo boni na mo ditra Ghana for no will expose you people until you are all naked. And na wo kra wo ye nti wontimi hu nyansa say no, you must address Ghanaians and address them now. Address Ghanaians today. Bawumia, the driver's mate, must address Ghanaians today, not tomorrow. When he now wo kono wa me. So now you have the power. Why won't Bawumia address the issue of galamsey? Now he's quiet. Foolishness. Take a listen to them and the rubbish 6 objective plans from Modeba about what? About galamsey. You think we are really in wrong? Movies are really in Take up and listen to Upon Groba.
Things Dr. Bawumia wants to do. So he wants to invest in geological investigation of the mineral zones so that you don't go digging the places to find it. We'll be able to tell you that the gold is here and here and here. So anybody who wants to do mining, where do you go? Here or here or here. Number 2, he says the people need proper financing to do it. If the people are poor and unemployed living in the area and there's gold there and they don't know how to do it, they'll use mercury and all the, excuse my language, stupid methods. Don't just shout at them and be angry. Give them support to do it the right way. So we're setting up a minerals development bank so that we can give them funding. We're also going to assist them with the machinery. We've tried something we call the gold catcher machine. It's working. So give them a bit more of this. Now we're saying that we want to make the chief and the district assembly part of the process. If they don't approve it, you can't mine there. So that when we go there and somebody is mining, we can then ask the chief that, oi, Nana, who gave this guy the permit? We want to also now buy the properly mined gold. We want to buy it for gold for oil, gold for exports, gold for oil, gold for currency, and then gold.
Look at this. Fantini Beka, see some kasebi. Yeah, no more madness or money in Kolam bi na kasa. You think Ghanaians are not waking up now? Look, Ghanaians have wake up. Oh, yes, yenyane. Ate. Now wo to a kasa ansem funwe. Wo dey tell Ghana for. Aden na wo nko na Bawumia nko implement we. So e bema enough. What per minds we di manakoya. Bawumia should go and implement ni enhwa ade. And now President Akufo Addo at the BBC, he's justifying the monstrous e-levy. Whilst oil no Bawumia su no, maybe I make cancer. The driver's mates and the driver himself both seem incapable of reversing that negative trend. It's like on one Bawumia and then a running mate Napono. Where is it 24-hour economy? No way is about 24-hour economy. God is asleep. Asiake kabikwa ne mo nsam fun nyansa na mu ni bie na mo nyansa ncha mo fa Ghana for future eni agro mo de Ghana for future be di agro no nye nsuo
yo itifo we ensema ababeto ye proso because gisini so and our no so we subscribe ya omodi ase we be subscribe to a channel sanse hadie latest and hot news nkwa enamede bremo afi we like video give us a thumbs up na fi share my offer so now when you be here na wo hu ensema ekoso ewo Ghana memo ha so with me otchere what Gyamfi yes and so we now ewo comment box ni weti ningali in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.